Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we're gonna see how to build a Binod detector. So we are going to build a Binod detector in two ways. The first way is by using a predefined library which is implemented in Python, and the other way is by writing the entire code from scratch, right? So in my previous video also I've explained some libraries which have already been implemented on Binod. So you can check this video by clicking on the above link. Yeah, so we can get started. So this is the library which I am using. I've used this library and it worked well for me. So shout out to the developer who has taken this efforts and built this library. Okay, so I'm importing it. We have here a PDF file reader already implemented. Then we have functions like is Binod docs, is Binod PDF. So what are these functions? These functions are identifying or checking whether the word Binod, the spamming word Binod, is present in the document file, PDF file, text file, or an Excel file, right? So I've taken a sample document file that is abc.docs. I'll show you. Yeah, so this is a document file, and as you can see, I have the word Binod here, right? So let's see if it detects it out. Yeah. So as you can see, Binod is found in file abc.docs. Cool. In the similar way, you can check it for PDF, text, and Excel. So this was the first approach, simple, just 2 lines of code. Uh, First approach of Binod detection by using a predefined library. Let's see the other approach in which I've written the entire code from scratch. Yeah. So what I've done here is I've imported OS library, and os.list directory will give me all the files available in that present directory. Okay, so I've created an object of it. I'm printing it out, and as you can see, these many number of files are present with me. Now I have written this code for checking the word Binod in text file. So all the text files which are available here will be passed to this code, and my code will identify whether the spamming word Binod is present there or not. Okay, so as you can see, what I've done here is I've written a function here, check Binod. I'm opening the file. I'm checking if Binod is present in the data or not. If it is present, then it is returning true. If not, it is returning false. Okay, after that, I'm iterating to all the files, checking the files which are ending with txt, that is my text file, and I'm just printing a simple statement, a simple f string here of detecting Binod in file this. I'm calling the function, and if the flag is true, it is printing me a message Binod is detected. So let's see how it works. Yeah, so here it should be detecting Binod in abc.txt. Yeah, so I think we just have one txt file here. Yeah, we only have one txt file, abc.txt, and it is checking there. This is that file abc.txt. I have written here AS Learning Binod. Let's remove the word Binod and see if it works. Okay, I've saved this file, and now it should tell me Binod is not detected. Cool. As you can see, Binod is not detected. Similar way, you can apply this typical if statement for files ending with PDF, files ending with doc, and accordingly write the logic. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. We saw two techniques of detecting the word Binod, and accordingly then we can write further code of removing it or what kind of modification you want to do with. But we saw two techniques. First one was by using a predefined library of detect Binod, and the other one was from writing the code from scratch. Yeah, so share this video with all your Python developers, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to channel AS Learning for more such amazing tech content.